இந்த வீடியோ +2 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எக்ஸசைஸ் 1.1ல் உள்ள 1 to 4 சம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். நல்லா பாருங்கள், கண்டிப்பாக +2 பையங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். இந்த வீடியோ ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கிளியராக ஐடியா கிடைக்கும். இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சென்ட் தமிழ் மேக்ஸை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் பாருங்கள், இன்றைக்கி எக்ஸசைஸ் 1.1ல் 7 சம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Find the inverse of the following matrices. That is, first sum is given 2 cross 2 matrix. That is given on 2 cross 2 matrix. First row -2, 4. Second row 1, -3 is given. So whatever matrix given, give the name A. So A is the matrix, given matrix -2, 4, 1, 3. We have to find the inverse. The formula is A inverse. Formula is 1 by determinants of A into adjoint A. It is the formula. So determinants of A inverse equal to 1 by determinants of A into adj A. So we have to find determinants of A. How to find a 2 cross 2 matrix determinants? Just first diagonal multiply, -2 into -3, 6. Now here sign change, -1 into 4, 4 equal to 2. Therefore, determinants of A equal to 2, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. A inverse exists. So, determinants value not equal to 0, that is non-singular matrix, means A inverse exists. So, determinants value is A equal to 2, not equal to 0, so A inverse exists. So, next we have to find adjoint A. So, adjacent A. Already we discussed that how to find a 2 cross 2 matrix adjacent. Just interchange first diagonal, sign change second diagonal. So, interchange the first leading diagonal. So, -3, here -2. Sign change second diagonal, -1, -4. It is adj A. Now A inverse, therefore A inverse equal to the formula 1 by determinants of A. So determinants of A value is 2, 1 by 2. A adjoint A, -3, -4, -1, -2. It is the A inverse of the given matrix. So A is given, what are given, give name A. Formula A inverse equal to 1 by determinants of A, adj A. Determinants of A value, find it, 2, not equal to 0, A inverse exists. Adjoint A interchange, first diagonal, sign change, second diagonal, so A inverse equal to 1 by 2, okay, into -3, first row -3, 4, -1, -2. It is the way we have to find determinants of A inverse. A equal to given matrix, give the name A equal to 3 cross 3 matrix given. 5, 1, 1, first row, second row 1, 5, 1, third row 1, 1, 5 is given. So first determinants value we have to find. Determinants value not equal to 0 means A inverse exists. So determinants of A equal to, how to find a 3 cross 3 matrix determinants? First write 5. The corresponding the elements 5 lies in first column, delete remaining 5, 1, 1, 5. So first plus, then minus, -1 into the element 1 lies in first row, second column. So leave it, the remaining 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 5. Then plus 1. So plus, minus, plus alternative. Then here this element lies in first row, third column. So remaining 1, 5, 1, 1. 1, 5, 1, 1. Now this value we have to find. 5. Here 25 -1. First I multiply here -1 into 1. -1. 5. Here plus, so -1 determines value, you know how to find. Plus 1. Here 1 -5. Then here 5 into 24 minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 4. Now subtract multiplication 5 24, 120 minus 4 minus 4. So 120 minus 8, 120 minus 8, 112 not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. So first we find A inverse. So A inverse exists. Then found we know that A inverse formula, A inverse equal to 1 by determinants of A adjoint A. Okay. Now we have to find adj A. Already we discussed the first parameter adjoint A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. That's called adjoint A. Now we can have one rough column. The rough column we can easily work out. Rough column we can easily work out. Already we discussed that. Now here second row we take second row number we start 5 5 1 5 5 1 1 5 1 1 5 1 1 5. Then here 1 5 1 5 1 1. Then first row 1 1 5 1. Then once again what you return rough column first row that you write once again 5 1 1 5. Now we have to find adjoint A. See that first element how to find? Just multiply 5 5 are 25 minus 1. The next 1 1 minus 5. The next 1 minus 5. Now second row 1 minus 5. The next 5 5 5 are 25 minus 1. The next 5. See that? One minus 5. 1 minus 5. The next one here 1 minus 5. Then 1 minus 5. So 5 5 are 25 minus 1. Then now subtract, we may get here 24 minus 4 minus 4. Then minus 4 24 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 24. It is adjoint A. It is given transpose. So we interchange rows into columns. For that, first columns become first row. Then second column becomes second row. Then third column becomes third row. Okay, adjoint A. Now the question is find A inverse. So A inverse equal to A inverse equal to, you know the formula, 1 by determinants of A. So 1 by determinants of A value is 1 1 2 into adj A 24 minus 4 4 minus 4 24 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 24. So it is the way we have to find a 2 cross 2. We have to find a 3 cross 3 A inverse. 3 cross 3 A inverse we can find. So determinants of A, find first 1 and 2. Then A inverse in this formula apply it. Okay, adjoint A, find it. Then A inverse formula we can write it. Size 1.1, second third sum. Here is given 3 cross 3 matrix. find determinants of A. Find the inverse. So find determinants of A. First we have to find determinants of A. So see that easily we can find here 2 first, right? 2, then there lies first row, first column, right? The remaining 4 2s are 8, minus 7, minus, plus, minus, minus. This element lies first row, second column, so remaining 3 1 3 2. So just to multiply 3 2s are 6, minus 3, plus 1 into. Now here there lies first row, third column, so remaining 3 4 3 7. 3 into 7 21, minus 3 into 4 12. Then here 2 into 1, minus 3 into 3, plus 21 minus 12. 21 minus 12. So we may get here 9. So answer, see that 2 minus 9 plus 9. So we may get determinants of A equal to 2. That is not equal to 0. A inverse exists. So you know A inverse formula, 1 by determinants of A at GA. Okay. So the same sum given first to alter. Okay. The same sum given first to alter. Second sum. A is given. They ask only adjoint. So now we find the adjoint for this matrix, means first sum alter, second sum are same. So we have to find adjoint of this matrix. For that, HA equal to transpose. Now here rough column. Okay, rough column. See that how to find adjoint A. Here 4, second row, we see that second row, second column, 4, start with that, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4. What you start then, that we finish. Then next 7, 2, 7, 2, 3, then 7. Next, first row, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now here what you written first, that you write once again, 4, 1, 3, 4. So rough column we written. Now we have to find 1 by 1. Okay, see that? This 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, minus 7. First element, then 3, minus 6, then 21 minus 12. Next one, 7 minus 6. The next one, 4 minus 3. Next one, 9 minus 14. The next one, see that? 3 minus 4. Then 3 minus 2. Then 8 minus 9 you may get. Now, you know subtraction, one is subtraction. 1 minus 3, 9, here 1, 1, here minus 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Transpose. Transpose means you know that just interchange rows into columns. First row, first column becomes first row. 1, 1, minus 1. Second row becomes second column, minus 3, 1, 1, 9, minus 5, minus 1. Okay, it is a G. So formula, you know that A inverse equal to 1 by determinants of A adjoint A. So 1 by determinants of A value is 2 into this 1, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 1, 1, 9, minus 1, minus 5, 1. So it is the way we have to find the adjoint A. It is the way we have to find adjoint A, then apply it So A inverse equal to 1 by 2 into 1, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 1, 1, 9 minus 5, 1. Third question exercise 1.1. Third question. F of alpha equal to cos alpha 0 sin alpha 0 1 0 minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha is given. 3 cross 3 matrix. So that F alpha whole inverse equal to F of minus alpha we have to prove. For that first find F of minus alpha. Before that, you know the one formula cos of minus alpha equal to cos alpha, trigonometric formula. Sin of minus alpha equal to minus sin alpha. These two formula you should know that. Okay, cos of minus alpha equal to cos alpha, sin of minus alpha equal to minus sin alpha. I write here. So we know that cos of minus alpha equal to cos alpha, sin of minus alpha equal to minus sin alpha. It is the formula we should thorough in trigonometry. So that we have to apply. First find f of minus alpha. F of minus alpha. So cos of minus alpha 0, sin of minus alpha 0, 1, 0 minus sin of minus alpha 0 cos of minus alpha. So the answer I will directly here. Cos of minus alpha cos alpha, then 0 minus sin alpha, here 0 1 0. So sin of minus alpha minus sin alpha, already here minus, so minus minus plus sin alpha 0 cos alpha. It is equation number 1. Okay, it is equation number 1. F of minus alpha we find cos alpha 0 minus sin alpha. First row, second row 0 1 0. Third row sin alpha 0 cos alpha we get. The next we have to find F inverse of F alpha whole inverse we have to find. So for that first find formula, you know that A inverse formula determinants of A into adjoint A. So determinants of F of alpha we have to find first. For that, okay, determinants value here cos alpha into, see that cos alpha into first column. Now here cos alpha minus 0. So minus 0. So it will become 0 plus sin alpha. Now see that sin alpha, how to find? 1 3 cross the determinants. 0, here minus minus plus will come minus, plus means minus, minus means plus, so minus there, so minus minus plus, so sin alpha into 1 sin alpha. Okay, so 0 plus sin alpha. Now cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. You know the formula sin square plus cos square equal to 1, equal to 1, so not equal to 0. Therefore F alpha whole inverse exists. Now the formula F alpha whole inverse equal to 1 by determinants of F alpha adjoint of F alpha we have to find. Now adjoint F alpha we have to find. So adj F alpha equal to, easily we can find. So rough column, see that here 1. So rough column 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Then here 0 cos alpha 0 cos alpha minus sin alpha minus sin alpha minus sin alpha 0. Next 0 sin alpha 0, sin alpha, cos alpha 0. Now first one repeat 1, 0, 0, 1. Now find this value. You know how to find? First this multiply. 1 into cos alpha, minus 0 no need to write. Then 0, 0, 0 minus 0. Then 0 minus sin, so minus plus sin alpha. Okay, next one is 0 sin alpha, 0 and sin alpha 0, minus 0 into cos alpha 0. The next one here, cos square, see that? Cos square. Then cos square here, minus plus sin square alpha 0, 0. The next one 0, 0 minus sin alpha, 0 minus sin alpha. The next one 0, 0, 0. Here cos alpha. Okay, now see that what we get? Cos alpha 0 sin alpha 0 1 0 minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha. It is h f of alpha. Here transpose there, don't forget it. Now transpose this. We may get first row become first column becomes first row. So introducing rows into columns. Cos alpha 0 minus sin alpha, then 0 1 0, then sin alpha 0 cos alpha we got. Then formula f alpha whole inverse. Okay, the formula f alpha whole inverse. So 1 by f of alpha, 1 by f of alpha, so 1 by 1. Okay, 1 by 1 h f of alpha joint f of alpha. So apply it here. Cos alpha 0 minus sin alpha 0 1. Okay, 0 1 0. So sin alpha 0 cos alpha. It is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, see that? From 1 comma 2 we get f of alpha whole power inverse equal to f of minus alpha. So both answers are equal. First equation and second you can compare it. Cos alpha 0 minus sin alpha, cos alpha 0 minus sin alpha, 0 1 0 sin alpha, sin alpha 0 cos alpha. Okay. Now fourth one, exercise 1.1, fourth one. A is given 2 plus 2 matrix. First row 5 3, second row minus 1 minus 2. So that a square minus 3a minus 7i2 equal to 0 2. 0 2 means 0 cross 0 matrix of order 2. I2 means ith matrix of order 2. That is the meaning. With the help of this, find A inverse. We could not find directly A inverse. Using this, find A. That is the meaning. Hence, find A inverse means using this, find A inverse. Okay. So first find A square. So how to find A square? A into A. So now here 5 3 minus 1 minus 2. 5 3 minus 1 minus 2. We have to multiply 2 matrix. Have in mind number 7. First row, first column multiplication. 5 5 are 25. Then minus 3. First row, first column over. First row, second column. 5 to 3 15. First row, second column. 5 to 3 15. Minus 6. Then second row, first column. Minus 1 into 5. Minus 5. Minus plus 2. Then minus 1 into 3. Second row, second column. minus 1 into 3 minus 3, minus minus plus 4. Now a square, see the answer, a square, 22, then 9 minus 3 plus 1, it is a square, 22, okay, 22, 9 minus 3, 1, we get a square. Then here we need 3a. So 3a just multiplied by 3. This entire entry multiplied by 3. So what will come? 15. 9 minus 3 minus 6. Now next is 7i2. Okay, I means and matrix 1 0 1 0 0 1. So multiplied by here 7i2 means we can find 7i2 7 into 1 0 0 1. So multiplication 7 0 0 7. Now applied here a square minus 3a minus 7i2, applied 1 by 1, a square value 22, 9 minus 3, 1 minus 3a 15, 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus 7i2, 7 0 0 7. Now subtract this, we get 22 minus 15 minus 7 0, 9 minus 9 0. So I will write there. Okay, you may get this, you may get 0 0 0 0. So the answer is 0. So a square minus 3a 7i2 equal to 0. Matrix order 2. So we get first step of 3 mark question. After this finish means you may get 2 mark and find A inverse. For that, the given equation post multiplied by post multiply this multiplied post multiplied by A inverse. So we have to write we have to write A inverse both side multiplied by post multiplied by A inverse. So A square we can write A into A inverse minus 3A into A inverse minus 7I 2 into A inverse 0 into A inverse 0. Now here matrix multiplication is always associative, so we can write this A into A inverse I minus 3, A into A inverse equal to I. We have the property A into A inverse equal to I minus 7 A inverse equal to 0. Now here once again A into A inverse I minus 3I minus 7 A inverse equal to 0. Now here A minus 3I equal minus 7 A inverse equal to 0. Now we have to find A inverse. So A minus 3I equal to 7 A inverse. So we need A inverse equal to 1 by 7 into A minus 3I. So now 1 by 7. Okay, 1 by 7. A value already you know that. A value know that. 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 into I. So 3, 0, 0, 3. So we get A inverse equal to 1 by 7 into just multiply. You can see that 5, subtract 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. Minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. It is the way we have to find A inverse. It is the way we have to find A inverse equal to 1 by 7. First row 2, 3. minus 1, minus 5.